Proven tremendous health benefits of macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are not only delicious but also packed with proven tremendous health benefits. These nuts are rich in healthy fats, including monounsaturated fats that can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are also a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Furthermore, macadamia nuts are high in vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium, which are essential for overall health and well-being. They also contain fiber, which can aid in digestion and promote a healthy gut. Eating macadamia nuts as part of a balanced diet may also help with weight management, as the healthy fats and fiber can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Additionally, the nutrients in macadamia nuts can support brain health and cognitive function. Incorporating macadamia nuts into your diet can be as simple as adding them to salads, yogurt, or granola, or enjoying them as a snack on their own. However, it's important to consume them in moderation, as they are calorie-dense. Overall, the proven tremendous health benefits of macadamia nuts make them a great addition to a healthy and balanced diet. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all my latest content. I have a variety of playlists covering a wide range of topics, so there's something for everyone. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when new videos are released. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback helps me create content that is tailored to your interests and needs. I love hearing from my viewers and value your input.